Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. And to be. This is a food shop video. I recorded the footage when I got the shopping and I'm just adding this intro. We're a family of 5. I'm calorie counting. And yeah, I will show you the shopping and then we'll come back and we can have a chat about the meal plan for the week. If you like these videos, please do give it a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. My 10,000 subscriber giveaway is going up tomorrow. But yeah, let's jump into the shopping. So here is the shopping. Just been to Sainsbury's. I only went to Sainsbury's because it's the closest one and it's hot and I couldn't be asked to drive anywhere else. So this is the shopping. It was 90 quid and we'll just go through it. So the only meat I got to cook with was some 5% black mince. This is a big packet, so we'll split that in half and that will do 2 dinners. Some sweet potato fries. These are so yummy. Me and Ben had them the other day and they've got like polenta crumb on them and they're delicious. I've got some frozen corn, some fish fingers. I was going to get the Jude's ones again, but they're so expensive. They're like £4 for 6 and these were £2 for 8. So 4 milk chocolate, 2 white chocolate, 2 white chocolate and almond, and they're like 125 calories each. The girls picked these. Then we've got some mini poppadoms, some lion snacks for the girls. I got myself the bags of popcorn, the salty popcorn. I really like this. I got a really big bag of grated cheddar purely because my brother and his girlfriend are coming tomorrow and I'm doing a really big jalapeno mac and cheese and I can't be asked to grate all the cheese, so I just got that. 2 lots of yogurts for the girls. I got Ben one of these. This is his favourite and it was on offer. Doesn't get it very often, but he absolutely loves this stuff. Some Philadelphia. I got myself some super thick Yo Valley. I love this stuff. It's so thick and delicious. Mika got some hummus pops. A normal cheese. 4 lots of the Lindell's white chocolate one. That's my favourite. A mozzarella. Some bananas. Some curly whirlies, mini flumps. I got these for me and Ben tonight for our pudding. We've already had our dinner, but I thought these would be a nice treat. But they're not too bad. They're 160 calories and they're delicious. I got 2 lots of light coconut milk for the pantry. I got some Stand and Stuff tortillas. The girls love these. We make pizza boats. They really like them. A chili mix. Gluten-free pasta for Josh tomorrow because celiac. The girls picked Foxy some Barney Bears. Got some maple syrup, not real maple syrup obviously because that's ridiculously expensive, but I got some fake maple syrup. Worcester sauce, kitchen roll. Got myself some of this honey almond granola which looks delicious. I'm going to break it up I think into smaller pieces and then have it on like a smoothie bowl. That'd be yummy. Some red lentils, some little potatoes. The biggest pack of toilet rolls ever. That was like 11 quid, so that was really good. And we'll go around the other side if I can get around there. I ache from swimming and stuff. And I've got a wrapper stuck to my foot because mum life. The girls chose, but they were allowed to choose 1 thing each for their treat drawer, and Mika chose these, which I think look nice. They're 106 calories each. Not for Mika, obviously, she doesn't care about the calories, but for me, I'm just saying if I wanted any. And Ari chose these. I got this for Ben because he loves this stuff and that was on offer. Some bagels for Ari, like bagel thins for Aria. Some normal bread. A big garlic. I don't know why they put it in a wrapper because it's in a wrapper. Like, I don't get it. 3 lots of passata. A little packet of chicken. Some ham. Some pomegranate for Aria. Get this off my foot. I got myself some normal bagels for lunches. Foxy some sausage rolls. I've got bread for me. I think this looks delicious. Seeded sourdough bloomer. It's just a half loaf because I don't eat very much bread. 2 big cucumbers. They do like the normal size cucumbers as well, which are like 45p, and these are 75p. But all the small ones were squishy and disgusting, so we need to get the big ones, but they will eat them in like 3 days. Some ginger. Some wraps. These are carb light wraps, and they've got protein in them. And the girls this week have to take in some exotic fruits to try with their schoolmates. So we've got a mango and a pomegranate, which is why Aria got the little potted pomegranate, because she wanted to eat them at home. I hate doing them, so I said, right, you can have some of that. Some grapes, some oranges, some orange peppers, because all the other peppers were gross, and some cauliflower. And that was the shop. I will put it all away and then we can have a chat about the meal plan. Hey guys, so it is, not gonna lie, it's been a few days. Yeah, the meal plan for this week, the weather's obviously getting hotter, and things like chili we're not having as much in the summer, like shepherd's pies and things, and roasts and stuff. But Ari has requested spaghetti bolognese this week, so having spaghetti bolognese one night. We're gonna have pizza one night. We've got I've got bought a chicken. I'm gonna have a chicken roasted, and then we'll shred it and then have it like in enchiladas and in salads. But it's more just like picky teas. We're having like lots and lots of plates with chopped veggies, and then crackers or pittas with hummus and cheeses and like deli meats, and just kind of like all really nice snacky things. We're barbecuing more. It's just we're a lot more laid back with our meal planning in the summer, because sometimes when it's just been really hot, you just don't fancy, like you might have planned something, but then you're just like, you know what, I just can't be bothered, like it's just too hot. And so yeah, it's much more relaxed in regards to meal plans in this house in the summer. But yeah, let me know your go-to kind of summer meals, like when it's been a really hot day. Let me know what you kind of make. There's so many flies around, it's ridiculous. Yeah, I'd be really interested to know what everybody's go-to summer dinner, like family dinner, or whether it's just for you, or a lunch that you like to have just when it's sunny. Yeah, let me know, that'd be awesome. Thanks for watching, I'll see you soon. Bye guys.